that we have to remove. As we all know, this is the most important thing for making cava, for making the agings of cava, right? Because all the complexity, the aromas, and the agings of cava come from. When we talk about the yeast, the sugars, and the smoky aromas, creme brulee aromas, all this complexity, it comes from this contact with the dead yeast. In the premium bottles of cava, the single vineyards, how the riddling is made by hand. Approximately, we do the riddling for 21 days, 1, 2, and 3 for 21 days. But of course, only with the premium ones, because every year we are producing 35 millions of bottles. So we don't have hands enough, right, in this time. That's why the top of the pyramid, it's made by hand, but with all the other barrels, we are using the Giro pallets. So much easier, 20 minutes time, 840 bottles per pallet, so more efficient, right? So then we freeze the necks of the bottle with the champa gel, glycol, minus 28 degrees. We turn the bottle up, we open the bottle, and all this dead yeast, the ice cube comes out because of the pressure inside. But in the past, and with that premium range of cavas, there's no freezing swimming pool, so we still use the traditional old method. We can see it on the other side. Sorry. Here we can see the picture of the disgorgent man. In the past, of course, they didn't have the provisional plastic thing that we are putting now, neither the crown cap, the plug. So they use this cork and then the muzzle. The bottle do all the same, second fermentation, aging, riddling. And then a person with a great skill took the bottle with this tool, remove the muzzle, push just a little bit the cork. Because of the pressure, the cold will come out with all the dead yeast behind, put the finger and turn the bottle. But what happens if a person put the finger so quick? There's still being dead yeast, so we cannot sell this bottle. What happens if a person takes too long? All the bottle lost. 9 months, aging, harvest, all lost because of one just quick movement. That's why the person who did and do the manual disgorgement, it's like the well-known people in the winery because of the great skill and the dangerous part of the job. 7 atmospheres in the bottle, and you put the fingers so close. That's why the barrel has this part to protect a little bit the chest, the face, and the neck, and also the boot shoes. Can you see it here? With this manual process, we could do, I don't know exactly the numbers, but imagine 50,000 bottles in 1 year. With that fancy machines, we can do 35 millions of bottles every year. It's all about balance.
How many bottles do you think are down here?
Here, so all the floors, we have all the storage capacity of all the cavas. It's about 90 millions of bottles.
90 million?
It's not full now, but the storage capacity, the total capacity, it's that. So it's about 25 millions per floor of total capacity, including the old part and the new part. So the good thing about Codorniu is that we still use both methods, right? We have bottles with that premium and romantical idea, like the first cava ever made here by Josep Raventos 152 years ago. But we also have machines with the ones we can do the volume. Without volume, there's no premium, as we all know here, right? So we start tomorrow?
Absolutely.
7 a.m. Turn the bottles, yeah?
Hey, 7 a.m. is later than we got started today. Sounds good.
Then, so you are used then. So now what we're gonna do is to take a walk through these underground galleries. But we said before, this is like a city underground, so that's why we are gonna need the train. So let's get on the train.